Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your TV model and current software version so you get the exact firmware file. Download the official update from the manufacturer page onto a FAT32 formatted USB stick and verify the file name and size match the release notes. Once done, safely eject the drive and keep the TV powered on. Plug the USB into the TV's service port now. Make sure it's the port labeled USB and that the remote has fresh batteries. You navigate to Settings and select Software Update. Choose the option labeled Update from USB so the TV reads the firmware file directly. Once the file is selected, the TV will validate it and prompt you to confirm, accept to start. The screen will show progress. Do not interrupt power, change inputs, or remove the USB while flashing occurs because that can corrupt the system. If the TV reboots automatically, let it complete until you see the normal home screen or a completion message. You finish by returning to Settings and verifying the firmware version matches the update notes. This confirms success. Once updated, make sure all your apps and picture settings are intact and adjust any preferences that the update may have reset. If the TV fails to boot or shows errors, try the same USB update procedure again, using a freshly formatted FAT32 drive, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Contact support if repeated attempts still fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.